Everyone tells you to hire a team to scale. They're wrong. In fact, for most early-stage SaaS founders, hiring too early is the fastest way to kill your growth. To hit 10k MRR without burnout, you don't need a payroll. You need an automation stack. I've seen too many indie hackers hit that first 1k MRR milestone, panic, and hire a VA or a developer, only to watch their margins vanish and their stress skyrocket. The truth is, people create complexity. Systems create scale. Today, I'm revealing the exact automation-first framework used to scale bootstrapped SaaS products without adding a single employee. We are going to build a machine that handles your lead gen, customer onboarding, and churn prevention on autopilot using tools like Make and Go High Level. By the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to 10x your revenue while keeping your team size at exactly 1. Let's dive in. You've hit your first 1,000 in MRR. It feels great. Until you realize you're working 14 hours a day just to keep the lights on. Your inbox is a disaster. Support tickets are piling up. Your roadmap is stalled because you're too busy doing manual data entry. The guru advice. Hire a VA, hire a part-time dev, build a team to scale. Sounds logical, right? More hands, less work. Wrong. In the early stages of a bootstrapped SaaS, hiring is often a trap. Suddenly, you aren't a founder anymore. You're a full-time manager. You spend half your day in Slack, chasing updates and fixing mistakes made by people who don't care about the product as much as you do. Your overhead spikes. Your margins shrink. And the irony, you're actually slower than when you were alone. You didn't scale your business. You just scaled the chaos. Every single person you add to the payroll adds a new layer of communication friction. If your process is broken, hiring more people just accelerates the failure. You don't need a team. You need a system. The mistake most founders make is treating people as a solution to a process problem. If your process is broken, hiring a VA just means you're paying someone to execute a broken process faster. That's not scaling. That's just amplifying chaos. To hit 10k MRR without losing your mind, you need the automation-first framework. Here is the rule. You are forbidden from hiring for a task until you have tried to automate it 3 different ways. Let's build your lane scaling stack. First, the central nervous system, Make.com. Stop using Zapier for everything. It gets too expensive as you scale. Make.com allows you to build complex logic, filters, routers, and data manipulation without a developer. If a lead comes in, Make.com should be the one pushing that data into your CRM, notifying your Slack, and triggering your welcome sequence. No human needed. Next, your growth engine, Go High Level. Most founders juggle a separate landing page builder, an email tool, and a CRM. That's a technical nightmare. Go High Level consolidates your entire lead capture and sales pipeline into one place. It handles the appointments, the follow-ups, and the nurturing. Instead of hiring a sales assistant, you build a snapshot. Now let's talk about the leaky bucket. This is where most SaaS growth dies. Churn. You don't need a customer success manager at $3k MRR. You need Customer.io. Customer.io lets you trigger messages based on behavior. If a user signs up but doesn't integrate their API within 24 hours, they get a targeted nudge. If they hit a power user milestone, they get an upsell prompt. This is automated empathy. It scales your retention without you sending a single manual email. Finally, the money. Stripe don't build your own billing logic. Use Stripe's native billing and tax automation. Set up your tiers, handle your dunning emails automatically, and let the system chase the failed payments. So when do you actually hire? Only when you need judgment asterisk, not asterisk execution asterisk. If the task is send this email every Tuesday, automate it. If the task is analyze why our conversion rate dropped 2% and pivot the strategy, hire a pro. By the time you hit 10k MRR with this stack, you aren't managing a team of 10. You're managing a system of 10. And that is how you scale without burnout. Now let's get tactical. To build this invisible team, I use make.com. It's the glue that connects your entire business without a single line of code. For the front end, your leads and CRM, I lean on Go High Level. It replaces 3 different tools and keeps your operations lean. To stop churn and automate onboarding, Customer.io is non-negotiable. It ensures every user gets the right message at the right time automatically. And of course, Stripe handles the revenue backbone. The result: scaling from $1K to 10K MRR without adding a single employee. Just pure automated efficiency. If you want to stop trading your time for growth, I've linked my exact automation stack in the description below. Grab those tools, build your systems, and scale without the burnout.